Hey everybody, Nate here. So I'm going to be making a series of videos that are for individuals who want to start working out, but you just don't necessarily know where to start. There's so much good and bad information out there. It's overwhelming. And so the purpose of these videos is to just simplify everything so you can just enjoy working out. Um, so in the following videos, I'm gonna be going over three topics that will be implemented in your program that are essential for general well-being. And finally, in the last video, I'm gonna teach you how to put it all together in a program, teach you how to progress your program, and finally, how to switch up exercises so you can continually progress accordingly. So this will not be a program where you show up to the gym, you do 3 sets of 10 of everything every single day, and you keep the same exercises. That's not how you get stronger. You need variation. And this will teach you how to implement that in your own training. So make sure you check out the following videos, as these will be key to building an effective program for you.